yet productive day. So it is 9:30 and we have everybody in the car. We're headed to my parents' house to drop Emmy off, and then me and Andrew and Oakley are going to be making a little road trip to do some shopping, and then while we're there we're gonna stop at Bye Bye Baby to get Oakley a car seat. So it's gonna be a good day. Oakley's still in his infant car seat and it's about time that he upgrades. This video is also sponsored by Bye Bye Baby. Emmy, what you wearing? He's so silly.
He's showing back here.
Yeah, they can see you. You're looking good, babe. Do you like your car seat switched around? Yeah. We just switched her car seat not that long ago. And she loves sitting forward, getting to see out the window, getting to talk to mom. Huh. Yeah. Where are you going right now?
To Mimi's house.
Are you excited? What are you gonna do while you're there?
Swim and play at the attic.
Yeah, that sounds like a fun day.
Yeah, that would be so much fun.
Fairy wings.
Thank you.
Welcome. Hey, I love you.
I love you.
Hey.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
I love you.
So I am sitting here in the car and I have little man Oakley. He's driving. You're driving? You're so cute. Yeah. He had a little bit of a rough ride. He didn't take very much of a nap this morning and was ready to be done. So we're finally here in this super cool shopping center in North Carolina, and we are getting some lunch right now. We're having smoothies as just like a little pre-lunch, and then we're gonna go shopping. So Andrew's in the store right now. We ordered them and we've been to this place before, and bless the lady's heart who was making the smoothies was having a really hard time, and then we got back to our car and we tasted them and they were not right. So Andrew's, I mean, we paid a lot of money for them, so Andrew's taking them back to see if they can fix it for us. I hate to be that person, but at the same time they were not close to being right. And I'm putting on my makeup right now, as you can see. Makeupless. You guys, you keep seeing my arm probably. I burnt my wrist really bad on a curling iron, a curling wand. I was curling my hair, I laid the wand down and I leaned over to like look out the window and put all of my weight on the curling wand, and it is such a bad burn. So I'm gonna cover it with a Band-Aid today so y'all don't have to look at it all day, but you can kind of see it. It's bad. So we just got done at Bye Bye Baby. that was a really fun and good experience. Bye Bye Baby has literally everything that you could possibly need for your baby, floor to ceiling. It's an exclusive retailer, and they've had experts pick out the very best of the products that, you know, you would want for your baby. They have everything. They have clothes, furniture, bedding, feeding, strollers, car seats, diaper bags, the list goes on. They had maternity clothes. They literally have everything you could possibly need. Another cool thing is they have so many employees ready to help you make decisions. So especially if you're a first-time mom, even if you're not, this is an overwhelming time to make all of these decisions. If you're a first-time mom, you've never done this before, you don't know what you're gonna need, why you're gonna need, you know, certain things. So to have somebody there to help you, someone who's friendly and who knows a little bit and is willing to like just give you opinions and just advice, so helpful. So we were in the stroller car seat section, and we kind of had an idea of what we wanted as far as car seat goes, but we did not know what we wanted as far as stroller goes. So we had a sweet lady help us just like test drive some strollers. She let us put Oakley in them. She pointed out that we were doing a few things wrong in the sweetest way though. And another thing is they have weighted babies in the car seat section, and so you can practice putting like a weighted baby into the car seat. You can carry like the infant car seat around with the weighted baby in it to see how heavy it's gonna be. Super cool. So it was just a really good experience, and that's why I love Bye Bye Baby. They're helpful. They are there to like help you succeed as a parent and make just the best decisions for you and for your baby, because it can be overwhelming. So that was a really cool, great experience. Love that store. Totally recommend them. I'll have a link in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Totally recommend. Great store. So now we're gonna go home and pick up Emerson from my mom and dad's house, and we're also gonna set up Oakley's car seat because I think it's about time that the poor boy gets a proper car seat. So that's what we're gonna go do now. All right, so we are officially retiring this car seat. This car seat was Emmy's first, and then Oakley has been using it, and it's time to take it out, and Oakley's now gonna get a car seat just like that one. This is the car seat that we decided to go with. This is the same one that we have with Emerson, and we really, really like it. And then we also got a umbrella stroller. This is the Chico Lightway Fog, in the color Fog. And we got this because we are gonna be going to California here pretty soon, and we needed to have just a nice lightweight umbrella stroller for Oakley. That's gonna be easy for us to take traveling with us. So we got one of those as well.
Yeah.